my fucking truck.
Welcome back to the Ozone. For those of you who used to watch the show, you know what's in here. For everybody that's new, got a surprise for you. We're making worm casting tea again. I'm going to teach you guys how to use a Mr. Type bucket or any bucket you want to make a compost or worm casting tea brewer for under 20 bucks. So make sure you guys stay tuned. It'll be a fast video. Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We're out here in the Ozone Organic Gardens, getting ready to prepare some pepper seedlings for the spring. Told you guys I was going to teach you how to build a nutrient tea brewer. So what you're going to need is your Mr. Type bucket. Anybody don't know who that is, like I said, make sure you look him up. He had a great show. Gonna need an air pump. Got this air pump, you can get it at Petline discount, Amazon or eBay. I think this is like $5 or $6. You're gonna need a drill bit that's slightly larger than your tubing that you use. And you're going to need tubing. I got this pet store for like $1.50. Get it on eBay, Amazon, or whatever too. What you want to do is first you're gonna get a drill, put your drill bit in, drill a hole in your bucket. You see that right there? If it focuses, drill a hole in your bucket slightly larger than your tubing. Put your air stone in, run the tubing through the hole. I'm going to show you guys how to prepare the tea now. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys what to do after you got it all hooked up. I hope you can see that if my cat will move his head. But yeah, basically just plug it up, find a place to put it. You see it bubbling away. You can have more air stones or less depending on the size of your bucket. You can split this up. You can use a garbage can. For those of you that watch my other channel, you know I got the 100-gallon unit. So after I set this up for the people, I either let them, you could use the old, hope you guys can see this, worm castings. Get you a bag of worm castings. This is a 30-pound bag of worm castings. And get you some women's nylons, stockings, or whatever you call them, where you're at. And just suspend it in your bucket. I put mine in and just close the lid on the side of it and just let it hang in there. Let it brew for a couple of days. But a lot of customers don't want to use or have a bag of doo-doo around their house, so which is worm castings is. But so this is what you guys are going to need. Even if you use the worm castings, you're still going to need to add 1 serving of unstraffered blackstrap molasses, unsulfured, I'm sorry guys, blackstrap molasses, which is 1 tablespoon per gallon. You're going to also want to get yourself some raw cane sugar and add 1 serving of this per gallon as well. So alright, and if people don't want the bag of poop, as you can see over there in their house, I tell them to use this product, which is Roots Organic Buddha Grow, as well as Roots Organic Buddha Bloom. They have a whole line, so you guys can use it. Start off with just these 2, and then as you grow as a grower, you can add more pieces to that line, but it's all organic and so forth and so on. So you can get these on Amazon and eBay as well. So all you want to do is just follow their directions, add it to the water, and then add your sugars that I just showed you, either the molasses or the raw cane sugar. Leave it for about 24 to 48 hours. It's going to look like it looked at the beginning of the video. It'll look sort of like beer. Alright, I'm going to do this and then I'm going to let you guys see. Alright guys, this is what it looks like when you're done mixing. I just mixed up a light mix for my peppers. I'm going to start, like I said, for the spring. You guys can use this for any type of plant you're growing. It doesn't matter. This will help you save some money on buying organic vegetables. You can make this mix for grow and bloom. I usually make 2 separate buckets for when I'm running, because I have bloom areas and grow areas inside my garden, because I'm selling plants and making hot sauce and other stuff. But basically, yeah, if you want to have organic vegetables or organic flowers, I suggest that if you or anyone is going to be eating the products you grow, you definitely go organic, so you can stay away from those synthetics. It's not worth eating synthetics. Just like when you go to the supermarket, you go to Whole Foods or whatever, so you can buy the organics. You might as well grow it, save you a couple of bucks. But yeah, this is what it's going to look like in about a day or so. It'll start to get a head on it like beer. A lot of foam. I can put some soap in there. Don't put soap in here. But that's what it's going to look like at the beginning of the video. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you want me to put up a couple recipes that I use, or if you guys need links to other people who will show you how to make some other good nutrient tea recipes, let me know. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.
Everybody fucking jump!